Alright guys, we're making some dal puri and mutton curry today. It's Easter weekend. So this is a good meal to make for the holidays. So what are you guys making for this holiday weekend? See, soft, nice, thin dal puri. Recipes, of course, on our YouTube channel. There. So after this, we haven't cooked the mutton curry yet. We're gonna go cook the mutton curry after this here. So I'm gonna show you guys this last one here, and then we'll see the mutton curry. So these are very soft, nice, tasty dal puri, guys. You gotta try this recipe if you have never tried it yet. It's been up on our YouTube channel for years and years and years. Nice. Yeah. Another one down. Alright guys, so we'll complete this. Alright guys, so we have finished cooking the dal puri, and now we're gonna be making the mutton curry. The mutton is here, we've already washed it up and so on. And we're gonna make some rice, of course, as well. That's our garlic, onions, scallions, curry powder, roasted ground jeera, garam masala, and some turmeric. So we are ready to roll. Here goes. Alright guys, so we have some water heating up here to cook our rice and our karahi on the fire. We're gonna add some oil to that very shortly to cook our mutton curry. Alright guys, so we're gonna start preparing for the curry. Our onion first. So who loves mutton? Like me. I like mutton a lot.
Yes, I like mutton.
Mr. Ramgoat? Not so much. But yeah, so what are you guys doing for the Easter weekend except flying kite? You know, you're gonna have some a lot of arm bending activities as well, if you know what I mean, right? But we gotta do everything responsibly, right? So we can be able to enjoy this mutton curry and dal puri, right? So that's the garlic in there. Now we're gonna add the curry powder, the ground jeera, masala, and the turmeric. Alright guys, so we're gonna be adding our rice here now. Gonna be adding the oil here to our karahi now. So the onions have been added there to fry up a little bit. Now the curry paste. Alright guys, so our curry paste is ready. We're gonna add the mutton now. Some salt to taste. Yeah, so we're gonna mix this up well now. That's all mixed up. So we're gonna cover this now and let it bunche. Okay guys, so this El Bonje now is drying down. The mutton looking yummy already, right? So we're gonna add some water now to let this cook. Alright, so we're gonna give this a good mix here and cover it back and let it do its thing, and we're gonna show you the end results. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so the curry is coming along to an end there. Alright guys, so curry is done here now, or mutton curry. Looking delicious. Add some scallions. Pepper, we can add some scallions here now. Alright guys, so here's our finished meal. Our dal puri, rice, and the main man here, the mutton curry. Looking scrumptious. Can't wait to dig in on this. So yes, that's it guys for today's meal, for our Easter weekend meal. Thank you for spending the time with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching.